Hi everyone, this is Prachi Jetli and we are here at the Alamara restaurant in Chicago, and we are here to celebrate the 6th year anniversary of Sanjeevani, the not-for-profit organization that has been doing some great work for so many years. And as we all know, the core issues that Sanjeevani focuses are the mental health issues, domestic violence, and there are numerous cases that they have resolved and dealt with, and they have been touching so many lives with their, with the help of their volunteers, counselors, and today's gala will have speeches. And then there will be entertainment as well, and we will be talking to the core team of Sanjeevani that includes the one and only Promila Kumar, whose initiative it is, and we'll also be talking to the other members who have seen the great work of this organization. And let's see what the gala has to offer, and there will be entertainment by Mandala Arts as well, and I will see you again. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 6th anniversary and the fundraising gala in person for Sanjeevani for You. My name is Pramila Kumar, and I'm the executive director and started Sanjeevani 6 years ago. The objective of Sanjeevani is to provide free 24/7 advocacy and support for anyone going through mental health concerns or domestic abuse issues. Our mission is to provide the awareness and information so that the callers who reach to us have actionable insights to make a decision. Domestic abuse and mental health are very, very prevalent. In the last year itself, the number of calls tripled for us. And in fact, for a few months, the calls, 1/3 of those calls were coming in between the hours of 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. And of this, 50% of those were male callers. There is a big need and there is a gap, and that is what we try to fulfill here at Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani is open 24/7. Helpline number is 224-424-0050. All conversations are very confidential, and one of the benefit for Sanjeevani is that our team speaks 15 different languages, South Asian languages besides English and Spanish. Please share with anyone who you think needs the support, the help for their overall well-being. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manisha Priyadarshi, and I have been volunteering and part of Sanjeevani from last 6 years. It's been honor and privilege to be a part of Sanjeevani. Mental health among youth is very critical. And during these pandemic years, the American Alliance region has researched that 1 in 5 youth are experiencing mental health. It's our duty to help our loved ones and make sure that they're physically and mentally healthy. We have enough help in our community. Reach out to Sanjeevani or any other organization which you feel comfortable, and please get the required help.
Hello, this is Shalini Gupta from United for Peace. It's wonderful to be here for the Sanjeevani fundraiser, because Sanjeevani is a very valued partner for us. Our mission is to bring communities together and create communities that are united, peaceful and non-violent, and a big pillar of that is mental health. So Sanjeevani provides resources to people who need help with mental health issues, and that is very important in the work we do to create peaceful and non-violent communities. So thank you, Sanjeevani, for all the great work that you're doing. We are very excited that you are going to be opening a new shelter, and all the best in this journey that we are walking together for our communities. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jigar Shah, MC of tonight's wonderful event, fundraising event, Sanjeevani for You. Super excited to be a part of it today. Sanjeevani for You is a non-profit organization focused on mental health and domestic abuse, and the organization has done wonderful work in the last 6 years. Today is the 6th year, and super excited to be with lots of community folks, audiences, and special thanks to all the volunteers and thanks to Anna TV. Thank you.
So please reach out to Sanjeevani. We have an expert team of our youth volunteers who can provide help needed. We have a licensed therapist also. So please reach out. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Roshita and I've been volunteering for Sanjeevani for the past 3 years. I help out Sanjeevani with the grants and the funding because there is such a huge need for mental health in our community, and the work can only be kept going if we get funding and financial support for it. So unfortunately, during the pandemic, there has been a lot of awareness amongst the funding fraternity to give money and funding for mental health because there are many cases, many concerns. So there is funding out there. There is no dearth of funding. It's just a matter of knowing whom to approach and how to effectively tap those funds. Sanjeevani has been very fortunate to be getting a lot of support from the community in the past 4 or 5 years. We get funding from a mix of bodies from both government as well as private foundations. City of Aurora has been supporting us. City of Naperville, private foundations like Asian Giving Circle have been very magnanimous with their funding, and all of this funding for the last 4 or 5 years has helped us propel our work in the mental health area. I do have a request today as you enjoy this evening. Please bear in mind that there is a larger purpose to it. Please open up not just your wallets but also your hearts and minds and give a lot of funds to Sanjeevani so that we can keep doing the good work for the mental health of the community. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shatabdi Chowdhury and I am with Sanjeevani since 2017. With my team, I help our clients to find a job. We help and support them to find a job or be independent. So we help them write their resume, prepare their LinkedIn profile, connect them with employers, and connect them to the organization who offer free courses like Mom Relaunch or any other free courses. Our service is 100% free and confidential. So the clients we support, they come from a different kind of background. They all have suffered severe emotional distress in their life. So many of them are highly qualified, but they lost the confidence. They feel like something is wrong with them. So we help them regain back that confidence so that they can gain their life, and everyone deserves a beautiful life. Thank you.
All right, now we are here with very special guests from today's gala, Dr. Jeevanandan and his beautiful wife Sheila. Dr. Jeevanandan, thank you very much for speaking with us. You know what? The post-pandemic era has posed so many challenges in the community all over the world as well. So, organizations like Sanjeevani, how do you think that they can play an impactful role in today's world, especially the post-pandemic era?
Well, COVID has exposed a lot of the problems that we've had in households, right? Because now you can't go to work and you're at home, and a lot of the issues with domestic violence and with mental disease have gotten amplified. And we need organizations like Sanjeevani to help those people and to give an avenue for them, because it's still something that people don't want to discuss, but having a good avenue like this will help them discuss it. And Sanjeevani has therapeutics as well as people getting actually identifying the problem and then getting counseled and then getting therapy. So those are 3 very important things for mental health and for domestic violence, and organizations like Sanjeevani are invaluable to treat those people.
So as Dr. Jeevanandan said, I know people shy and then people do not come out, and so I think there is a kind of taboo in the community as well, as far as bringing these things up. So any special message to people who are in need of help, but they are just holding it back, and any special message for people out there?
Yeah, they shouldn't be shameful, right? Because this is not this is a disease. It's a real disease. It's not made up. It's like hypertension or it's like heart disease. And so if you treat it that way, there's medications and there's therapy for heart disease, and there's medication and therapies for depression, for suicide ideation, for a lot of the issues, the mental issues. So it's very important that you realize, not be shameful, get the therapy, get better, and get on with life.
Any message from Sheila?
Yeah, growing up in India, mental issues was always a taboo, and no one wanted to address it. They would just hide it under the rug and just pretend that nothing has happened, or they would say, "Oh, that's how she is," she's just being unruly or whatever. So they would never get to the bottom of the problem. So I'm so thankful that we have an organization like Sanjeevani, that they're addressing this problem in the Asian community, which is very essential. And for people to reach out to someone and talk freely about this, it is very important. And I'm so thankful that you have an organization like that.
So all of you who are listening, if there are people who need help, and they need to just recognize that there are organizations who are ready to help. You just need to look for the people and the organizations like Sanjeevani, and things can be changed, and your life can be changed with just little bit of either counseling or medication. But everybody has the right to live the correct way and the normal way. So reach out to organizations like that, and of course the wonderful supporters like Dr. Jeevanandan and the beautiful couple. Thank you very much for speaking with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Anita Tekrawal and I've been a volunteer with Sanjeevani for the last 3.5 years. I've been a domestic violence counselor for almost 15 years, and due to some reasons I had to leave my job, but then I found the opportunity to work with Sanjeevani, and I love working with it because these are all volunteers who do it as a passion, not as a job. So we as Sanjeevani, we deal with domestic violence victims, and domestic violence is not an isolated issue. It not only affects the victim and the immediate family, but affects the community, the family, the friends, and also the colleagues and neighbors. It is not uncommon, for the example, for the aggressor to harass the others at the children's schools, at the co-workers, victims' workplace. We must work together as a community to watch and listen for the signs of DV, so that we may stop the threat before it ripples through our community. And we are planning to open a shelter for the domestic violence because there's a big need, especially for the South Asian women. So please open your heart and donate as much as you can, so there is a shelter for the South Asian women. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अंजलि है और मैं संजीवनी की वॉलंटियर हूँ, सेक्रेटरी हूँ। तो मैं आप सब सुनने वालों को और जो पब्लिक है उसके लिए एक मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ। इट्स ओके अगर आप थोड़ा बेचैन हैं, थोड़ा अशांत फील कर रहे हैं, या आपको नॉर्मल फीलिंग नहीं हो रही है, इट्स ओके। ऐसा होता है, बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, और ये कोई बीमारी नहीं है, इसको हम ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, ये ट्रीटेबल है। काउंसलर्स और साइकियाट्रिस्ट ये सब आपकी इस दिमागी जो बीमारी है उसको, बीमारी नहीं, दिमागी जो आपको प्रॉब्लम है उसको ठीक हो सकता है। और संजीवनी के आपको हेल्प कर सकती है, गाइड कर सकती है, और आपको सुन सकती है, आपकी जो परेशानियां हैं उसको सुन सकती हैं, और हम इस तरह आपकी सहायता कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Hello, this is Sunil Shah, founder president with Federation of Indian Association, Chicago. So excited to be here at Alhambra, celebrating 6th year of Sanjeevani organization. I believe they are doing a phenomenal job, supporting the people who are suffering from mental illness, the people who are being abused, and so I would say congratulations to them. I would like to compliment them for doing this phenomenal work, and would pray Almighty that they keep on doing this great work and keep on succeeding. We are here today to extend our support and and God bless them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karuna. This is my husband Abhay. I know Pramila since the past maybe 6 to 7 years. She's an exceptional lady. Her team is amazing, and they have come a long way in supporting the South Asian women who are in need in a very beautiful, respectful manner. And I know that myself personally, I just love to support them. The work that they are doing, it's the need of the hour, and I think we all as a community should come together and support them for the beautiful work that they are doing. And I just hope that this fundraiser helps them to get what they need in future, so that our community benefits from it. All of us. So. I'm just very proud of Pramila and her team is all what I want to say. Thank you.
Sanjeevani as an institution has done so much and continues to do so much. They are doing it in a very respectful, inconspicuous way and helping people who are in need, right? It's very tough on people when they are alone and they have nowhere to go. But this organization steps in, helps them all throughout the way, provides them advice which lasts for a very long time and puts them back on their feet. So hats off to Sanjeevani, good luck to them in the future, and hopefully we can keep supporting them going forward.
Thank you.
Jayashree Nagaraj, and I've been working with Sanjeevani, volunteering with Sanjeevani for the past 5 years. I do domestic violence victim advocacy. A lot of South Asian immigrants come here and find themselves in a situation they don't want to be in. They are in a very violent, abusive situation and they don't know what to do. They are hesitant to talk to their family and friends. They don't know if there's going to be victim blaming and nobody to really understand them. They're not sure if they have to call 911, and that's where we come in. They call us and talk to us. We are all trained volunteers who help them, listen to them, and provide solutions that may suit them. They can take it. There are many solutions. So they can choose what they want to do. It's not just them. They have this feeling that, oh, it's only me, only I'm going through this. But when they come and talk to us, they know it's not just them, and then there is a solution for their problems. And most important of all, they know that it's 100% confidential. Not only to the victims, but we also provide family counseling. Our aim is to solve the issue, to help everybody live happily and peacefully. The best way to reach us is our hotline. The number is 224-424-0050. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chitra Murali and I've been with Sanjeevani as a volunteer for the past 3 years. So I'm just going to talk about the what happens if you suppress mental health issues and how it's going to affect your well-being. So it does affect, destroy relationships, it creates problems in school and the workplace. It affects performance, overall, your focus, it destroys your self-confidence. So basically the key is to get help. Don't be ashamed because, it can hit anybody at any age, at any time. And, it is just like another illness that needs to be treated with the right kind of support. You will get better, so you need to believe in that. And so do reach out to the medical community, do reach out to therapists and counselors, do reach out to community support, and that's where Sanjeevani comes in. So do reach out to us. We are always there to listen, to help, and we are non-judgmental and free. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natika and I've been working with Sanjeevani for past 6 years. It has been a really pleasure working with it, but again, when you come and see these cases and when you work with the clients, it's really hard to see people going through all these stuffs, and this is where Sanjeevani comes in. Like, we really give our shoulders and our ears and we open our heart to listen to them. We don't judge them. We just go with them and we guide them as much as we can, and that's where Sanjeevani really needs all the fundings, and we would really appreciate, and it's really helpful when you guys come up, you give us this kind of support and you make us feel strong. So please come forward and make us do what we are doing. We really want to help the community and come forward. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Veena and this is my husband Jagan. We are from Buffalo Grove and we are here to support the great cause of Sanjeevani for You. We've lived in Chicago for about 21 years now, and it's a privilege to be associated with an organization like Sanjeevani, which does a lot of work to help people that suffer from mental illness, which is a silent killer. It's really a silent killer in today's world, especially with the pandemic. I think people have suffered a lot staying under lockdown and everything. So we are very happy to be here today to support the cause. Anything else you want to add?
No, thank you. I think you mentioned it very well. Really, we like the cause and we want to support the organization. Thank you.
हाय, माय नेम इज़ निधि शर्मा और मैं संजीवनी के साथ पिछले 6 सालों से हूँ। जब से संजीवनी शुरू हुआ था, हमने नाम जब सोचा था संजीवनी का, तो वो यही रेफर करता है जो कि हमारे माइथोलॉजी में भी रेफर करता है कि श्री राम ने जो संजीवनी बूटी लक्ष्मण जी के लिए यूज़ की थी। सो दशहरे के इस पर्व पे हमारी संजीवनी की टीम लेके आई है आपके पास एक ऐसा इवेंट जिसमें हम हमारे सारे पिछले 6 सालों में जो हमने देखा है हमारी कम्युनिटी में, उसको प्रस्तुत करने के लिए। संजीवनी एज अ टीम इज ऑल अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ। वी नो we all wait for something big to happen, but in our day-to-day life, if we can maintain some kind of a clinical routine, it will help us to support each other, to support ourselves. So mental health is not just about anything big, any big event to happen. Mental health is about self-care, taking care of yourself on day-to-day basis. We all go through it. Every person goes through some kind of mental stress in their life with their day-to-day routines. So if we can address it in a positive way, that will be helpful to us and to community. So reach out to us for anything small or big. We are available on many platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, on our helpline number, and we are happy to hear the smallest of the problems that you may have. You want to just have an ear to listen to, and we are all there. We are all trained. We are all humans who all have experienced our day-to-day lives as well. So we are there to listen to you. Come forward with anything and we are there to help in every which way you may want to. Thank you.
My name is Madhu Uppal and I have the honor of serving on the board of Sanjeevani. And Sanjeevani, we come from a community where there's a lot of stigma about mental health, emotional health. And I am so delighted to see Sanjeevani working in this area to strengthen our community, build capacity so that we can deal with challenges of life that all of us face. Thank you.
right, so that was the fantastic gala celebration by Team Sanjeevani. And make sure you extend your full support to this wonderful organization in future as well, so that the team can continue doing the great work that it does, touching so many lives, helping so